Hi guys! Today we are learning how to check Messenger login history. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the same account that's connected to your Messenger. Since Messenger is linked to Facebook, you'll manage your login activity from here. Now, tap the three horizontal lines to open the Facebook menu. Here you'll find different account and privacy options. The settings you need are available in this section. Next, tap Settings and Privacy to expand more options. After that, select Settings to open your account settings page. This is where Facebook's security features are located. Once you're in Settings, tap Account Center. This section manages all Meta accounts connected to Facebook and Messenger. You'll find your security and login information here. Now tap Password and Security. This page contains different security tools to help protect your account. From here, you can view all your active login sessions. Next, find the Security Check section and tap where you're logged in. This will show every device where your account is currently signed in. You can review your recent login activity from this page. Now, select your Facebook account from the list. You'll see all the phones, tablets, and computers where your account is currently logged in. Since Messenger uses the same Meta account, these sessions also apply to Messenger. If you notice a device you don't recognize or no longer use, tap on it, then choose Log Out to remove your account from that device. This also signs your Messenger account out from that device, helping keep your account secure. And that's how you can easily check your Messenger login history and manage your logged-in devices. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.